Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to lock your Snapchat with your Face ID or passcode on your iPhone. So guys, many of you don't know how to lock your Snapchat with your Face ID, but unfortunately Apple didn't allow us to lock our Snapchat with our Face ID or passcode. But guys, don't worry, there is a simple trick by which you can lock your Snapchat with your Face ID or your passcode on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. To do this, you have to do is simply go to the shortcuts on your iPhone, search your shortcut, tap on shortcuts. Now you can see your option automation. Simply tap on it. Now tap on no automation. Scroll down until you see app. Tap on app. Now tap on choose app and select Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. Now tap on done. Now tap on run immediately and you have to make sure that notify when run is turned off. After this, select next. Then scroll down, select start timer. Now cancel the start timer and tap on add action. After this, then you have to do is search for action which is called lock screen. You can see your option lock screen, tap on it. Now tap on done. Now you can see if I try to open my Snapchat, my iPhone will automatically lock. Now I have to do is simply use my Face ID or I can use my passcode to open my Snapchat. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to log your Snapchat with your Face ID or passcode on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.